Hi there, this is not a complaint. It's hoping to make the software just a little bit better, a few tweaks, okay? Now, first of all, I have downloaded these three models from Tinkercad from another design. I downloaded them, uploaded them back onto a new design here, and they're uploaded fine without any problems, okay? Right now I've repaired them and I've changed the names so we can signify which ones are being repaired. And notice this, that in Tinkercad it does not allow any more than 300,000 triangles. So it's suggesting that that model that has been repaired has more than 300,000 triangles. Now, I do have some software that can reduce triangles, but that means I have to go into that software, change the settings, experiment a bit with it, make sure I'm not taking out too many triangles, because you can lose model definition when you do that. But see how we'll not import this file. That is after it's been repaired. I'll just talk about a couple of other minor tweaks. I think they can be called minor. I'll just import this small file here. Now if I go next, I have to click next twice down there. So that's a bit of a But the main issue is this 800%. See the 800% there? That is obviously based on the size of the model being imported. Yes, and I know I can change it here, but I'd like to see it set to a default of 100%. I nearly always pick 0.2mm resolution there, but a default of 100% would be very helpful. I wouldn't have to keep going in and changing the scale size here, so to speak, to 100% then. Now, here is a file I managed to import after it's been repaired, and notice how it's been rotated. This is a common thing of, what happens after they're being repaired. Now, I'll just take you in for a bit of a closer look at some of these files. See that line down there? I don't know why this is the repaired one. This sort of, don't know, grayish one. So I can rotate it, yeah. Let's rotate it same direction as that other one. So it's got this almost extra line down there. It's been repaired, imported, but that line isn't in that position on this original model. So I don't know what that line is or why it's doing that. It might be the STL file, the original STL file, somehow causing that. There's a couple of other marks like that as well. Okay, thanks very much. I hope you can do some tweaks and bring about some improvements to this software. Thank you.